In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change column width on Wix Editor. If you are working on a Wix site and want more control over how your content is arranged, adjusting your column width is a simple way to improve the layout. This is especially useful when you want one side of a section to hold more text, a larger image, or just create a better visual balance across the page. To get started, open your site inside the Wix editor. Make sure you are on the page where the section with the columns is located. Once you are in the editor, take a moment to identify the strip that contains the columns you want to change. In Wix, a strip is the horizontal section that stretches across the page and usually holds content like text, images, buttons, or other design elements. Next, click directly on the strip that houses the columns you want to modify. It's important to select the strip itself, not just one of the elements inside it. When the strip is selected, you'll be able to access the layout settings that control the structure of those columns. After that, click the Layouts icon. This icon looks like a small grid panel, and it opens the layout options for the selected strip. Inside this menu, you'll find the settings related to how your columns are divided. Now, look for the section called Column Proportions. Here, you can choose from predefined percentage options. For example, you may see equal width columns or layouts like 50 by 50 30, 3 by 66, or 20, 5 by 75. These preset options are helpful if you want to make quick changes without needing to fine-tune anything manually. Just click the proportion that best fits the design you are going for, and Wix will update the column widths automatically. If you want more precise control, select Customize Proportions. This allows you to manually adjust the percentage for each column. This is useful when the preset layouts are close to what you need, but not exactly right. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on how your content fits within each column so everything remains balanced and easy to read. Once you've chosen the layout that works best, review the strip to make sure the spacing looks the way you want. Small layout changes can have a big impact on the overall appearance of your page, so it's worth taking a moment to check the result before moving on. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.